shit. Okay, he told me, asshole. I said, thank you. He gets pissed again. He start flipping me. I say, we didn't mean nothing this shit.
Dude, you are the fucking best cab driver I've ever experienced in my life.
Thank you. Tomorrow I'm gonna put you on YouTube.
Hey,
I'm put you on TV tomorrow.
hey, do it.
Okay?
You can fucking throw me off. Oh, yeah.
This is cab confession.
Hey, between me and you, I think we're the coolest people on the fucking planet.
No, I was calling this cab since I've been driving dirty cab. If you talk dirty, you get good stuff here in this cab. If you don't talk dirty, because you start talking dirty, I like it. People they're snobbies, don't want to talk. Then you say, what the heck? We hold in the sky? Fuck that shit. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What do you think? You don't shit. You shit the same place like we shit together. What do you have? You have 1 million? You don't go take it. Fuck you with your million. That's it.
Oh man, dude, you're fucking killing me, dude. You're killing me,
Nice and
man.
cool in this cab.
Oh man, I forgot about my fucking eye drops and everything, dude.
I have them in my bag.
You're killing me, bro. Keep talking. You're good.
I'm not gonna...
You should be a fucking stand-up, dude. Stand-up comedian.
I do a lot of show in my cab too. I get compliment here in my cab.
Yeah.
That's what I do for living now.
Fuck it,
Don't
dude.
listen, I have skill, but no skill. My skill is talking, my tongue. My tongue, this is my skill now.
Hey, dude, your tongue is the shit. I'm telling you.
My tongue and my third leg.
Your what?
My third leg.
Sorry, your what?
My third leg.
Oh, man.
That's how you say it.
That's what I thought you said, but I had
Not
to
good?
make sure.
Okay, not good. Okay.
That's all good.
Oh shit.
Do your thing.
You don't have 3 legs?
What?
We don't have 3 legs?
I got 2.5.
No. You have this lady with you.
I can't perpetrate.
I don't think so.
That's my wife, dude.
If you don't have 3 legs, she's not gonna be with you. Believe me.
Oh, man. Don't put my fucking drink on my shirt, dude.
Well, you want me to shut up? Okay, I stop.
Nah, keep going, dude. I'm good with it.
Okay. Fuck that shit, okay?
Yep.
Fuck that shit.
I'm good right now. I'm gonna go party with you guys tonight.
Let's go, dude.
I just started. It's like my 3rd ride now, and
Oh.
That's it. What time are you off?
6 o'clock in the morning. When you're done. When you're dead. When
I'm
you're dead,
dead. Yeah, exactly.
I come see you when you're dead.
Oh no, that's my wife, dude. I go all fucking night, all day, dude.
What,
I'm
24/7?
24/7.
24/7.
I'm 24/7.
Are you happy
That's
duty?
that.
Yeah. Actually, I'm pretty bad.
Let's go get some tequila chat and start going from there.
I'm down.
Call me later. I have break between like 1 and 2. Call me. Go get some drink with you guys.
I'll tell you what. You take my number. Take my fucking.